Hello everyone, I'm Siva, the CEO of DeepHow, the company that pioneered AI-powered video companion for skilled workers. At DeepHow, we aim to make the latest advancements in technology and AI work for the core industries and their skilled workers. Creating quality content that delivers complex instructions for skilled work is no easy task. It's time-consuming and often doesn't drive the content retention and the outcome it hoped for. DeepHow takes video of live demonstrations and creates smart content in minutes, 90% faster than traditional methods. Now, we are expanding the content medium from smart videos into robust, multimodal smart instructions. These smart instructions basically write themselves with a little help from AI. Think of them as a replacement to your traditional SOP. Simply upload a video or a PDF, and our AI will transform them into crystal clear step-by-step instructions. Editable, augmentable, all up to you. What used to take hours now takes minutes. This means more content, faster training, fewer errors, and a workforce that is ready. Now you can have smart videos or smart instructions or both, along with various other features that you always loved in the plan. That's exciting, right? That's just the beginning. Managing training at scale has never been easier with DeepHow. With our enhanced skills management, you can now schedule and create recurrent training, manage prerequisites of courses, track and report on the progress, skills and quizzes with enterprise-grade reporting, ensuring compliance, consistency, and clarity across the organization. And we are going to continue to improve our skills management and reporting layers in the weeks and months to come. Last but not the least, here is something that we are really excited about: Smart Compare. We are soon launching an early access of an exciting AI feature where the operator can compare the video of a task performed against the instruction and get closed-loop feedback. Think about its impact on safety, compliance, and content retention. When you learn something and you can physically perform it, take a video of your performance and an outcome and then understand where the gaps are so that you can go back and get trained and get better. Be more safe, drive the efficiency outcome everyone is hoping for. At DeepHow, we make skilled work smart. Whether it is creating instructions in seconds, managing enterprise-wide training for skilled work, or refining skills with real-time comparison, we are redefining how skilled teams learn and execute. We are going on an innovation spree. We will be launching one major innovation every month. So please continue to give us feedback. We are here to listen. We are here to make this product work for you. Stay tuned, and we really appreciate your valuable feedback. Thank you.